What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a small little DIY that I have for my car, and they finally arrived. I ordered some M-style mirror caps, some glossy black ones, and they look really good. I have them in this box right here. I'm about to unpackage this thing. I already opened it. The box actually looks terrible. I don't know what happened during shipment, but as you can see, it just looks all types of messed up. Man, that's not good. I don't know what happened, but the mirror caps, the M-style mirror caps are still intact, and that's all I care about. I'm just glad that they're still good. Okay, so now we're gonna unpackage this, take one of them out. I think this is the left side. I'm not sure. Oh, it's kind of hard. Alright, here we go. Boom. Damn, man, that looks so... Hold on, let me hold it like this. Hold on. Look, this is so clean. You can see my reflection in it. That's how clean it is. Wow, this is gonna be a game changer, man, for my E90. They look so good. I think those little, what is that? Fucking focusing. I think that's little. Oh, there's little dust particles. It's nothing. I thought it was like chip paint or something like that. But no, it looks really good. I can't wait to get these on. Okay, so now what you're gonna need to take off the M cap, the mirror cap, is you're gonna need this pry tool that I have. I had this for a while now, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come in here in between, in between this gap, and then just pull back on it with your hands as you pry it. So it's not really hard. It's just a matter of tedious, I guess you could say. So let's get right into this. Somebody really was ghetto and did this. Look at that, man. Like, come on. I'm gonna order a new side view mirror anyway for the driver's side, so that's nothing to worry about. And I'm just gonna pop the M-style mirror cap on there, and I'll be good to go. But let's get that new one on there. That looks amazing. Oh my god, let me give you guys a closer look. Oh my god, look at that. It's a big game changer, man. I love how it looks. Wow. Now it's time to do the other side. It's pretty much the same thing, and then show you guys how they both look on the car. Alright, so both of the mirror caps are on the car, and they look so good, man. Look at that. Oh my god, compared with the headlights, it just complements the front grill bumper too. Oh, it looks so good, man. Look at that. And big game changer right there. Big game changer. And it's freaking windy as hell out here. It's so cold. Oh my god, that's why I put a hoodie on. And got my fleece jacket, Columbia. But damn, it's so cold out here. It's kind of too cold to film, but I was just like, this is a quick little DIY mod. Why not just try to get it out the way real quick? It's not nothing too complex or complicated. But yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. If you liked it and you like how it came out, if you plan on getting some M-style mirror caps for E90, I suggest you go for it. You will not be disappointed. I'm gonna link the item. The eBay seller that I got these from in the description. So as I always do, don't you guys worry about that. I got y'all covered. And it was about like $43, $45, I think, some around those lines. But it's really good, and it takes like a good 2-3 weeks to get here. But the wait is worth it. So don't be impatient about that. But overall, happy with the product. If you guys did like this DIY, make sure you leave a like and a comment. Share it with your friends. You know. Let them know how they look, if they plan on doing this with their E90s, or if you're gonna do it with your E90. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh yeah, don't make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here. Peace out.